Hey guys, I'm going to show you this place reference tool that I've created. So what this tool does is it helps you place reference bubbles in an elevation view. And the normal process for doing this, I'll just show you really quickly. What you do to place a reference bubble is you go to View, and then you go to Section, and you have to hit this little checkbox here. And when you do that, you can select the drafting view that you want to reference for your section. So let's just say maybe horizontal, and then you'd place the bubble like that. Um, this method, however, could take more time and lead to more errors than I think my method of this tool can offer. So to use the tool, go to WW Drafting, and then go to the Detail panel, select Place Reference, and then you're going to want to select the curtain wall that you want to place references on. And what's going to pop up is this screen here. And on the top, you have this mullion section. And these are just the mullions that are being selected by the program. It's going to go through and place all of the references that you should need. So that said, those are the mullions, and then you have a list of references here that match up with these two selected mullions. And then you get this preview image of what you're looking at for that detail, so you have a better idea of what you'd be placing. So you'd select the reference that corresponds to what you want for this profile, and then you would select an orientation. This is where the bubble is going to come in, like where it's going to be drawn either on the bottom or the top or the left or right of the profile. And then you would hit either place, or say that you don't want to place a bubble at that profile, you'd hit don't place. See, when I hit place, the bubble pops up like that. So then, as you see, it goes on to the next profile above it and allows it to select for that profile. So I'm just going to hit intermediate horizontal, place atop, and then we get to the head, do the same thing, and then same thing, left jam, go vertical, right jam. And that's basically how the tool works. And now there is another tool that goes along with it, and that's place one reference. So this just allows you to place one reference bubble in case you don't want to do a whole curtain wall. So to use this, you would just select it and then select one mullion, and then it's just basically the exact same thing, but it only does one mullion. So there's one other feature I'm going to show you for the place single. So I'm just going to go to an elevation that has an anchor. So what you can do is say that you have an anchor that you want to reference, and it's next to a mullion. You have the option of checking this anchor checkbox and selecting the anchor detail. And when you do have this anchor box checkbox checked, then it's going to place the detail on the closest anchor. So let's hit that. As you see, it placed a reference for the anchor. So that's basically how this tool works. Thank you.